going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to a hot day in Houston. All right, y'all. So, got a easy install for you guys today. Now, this install was inspired by one of the channel's big homies, Ron from Portland. He put these on his car, and I was like, man, them things look dope. So I went on ahead and I got me some too, man. I think they look cool, and I just got the one that matches what I already have. So I know I'm just talking in bubbles, and y'all don't even know what I'm talking about. Let me go ahead and pull out exactly what I'm talking about. And this is what we got, y'all. We have the StickerFab door handle protector, or you know that area inside the door protector. So I saw that Ron from Portland put these on, so I said, man, I'm gonna go ahead and let me try and put these on the Ghost too, and see if we can look as smooth and as good as his car looks. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this install on there. Like I said, this matches with all the rest of them that I have on the car, on the headlights, on the quarter panel window, one that we have right here on the mirror, and the one we have right here on the side of the car. So all of that to match. Oh, I forgot the headlights. Yeah, headlights too. So we'll go ahead and install this thing on here and see if this goes well, because it did look a little tricky getting inside this area right here. So we'll see if we have any trouble or not. Alright, y'all, so here we go. Alright, so in the kit, they must have knew who they were sending it to, because instead of sending me 4, it sent me 6. Because they probably knew your boy was probably going to screw it up a couple times. But, you know, I'm going to see if I can get them beat. And I'd have 2 extra ones. So we'll see if I can beat them or if they beat me. Alright, so things you're going to need for this. You're going to need a heat gun, because we're going around a curve right here. So we're going to need to heat the material up a little bit to get it in there. Now, I know somebody told me about the adhesive promoter, but I don't have that. But this has worked out pretty well for me, this quick detail here. So I'm going to use this, spray this on the area, and then turn the heat gun on. And then after that, I'm going to heat up the pad here. Now, when you get these, they actually put on there which side is the top. I don't really understand why that matters, but I'm guessing so maybe the carbon fiber will be facing the same way. I don't know, but they said that's the top, so basically we're gonna hold this thing like that. So let's go on ahead and get with it. Let's see how difficult this may be. Alright, so we're gonna turn on our heat gun here. Alright, we got a heat gun on. We're gonna spray a little bit of our detailing spray on here. And then we're gonna peel her off here. So now it's got some slits in here, which I don't understand what those are there for. Or maybe it's there to kind of give it a little bit of a relief because it's going around that curve. That's what I imagine. Alright, so let's heat up the material a little bit. Alright, there we go. And then let's slide her in. And I'm trying to line it up right here. Up, get out of whack, get out of whack. There we go. So we're gonna apply a little bit more heat here. And just work all the way down. Heat. Work all the way down. think we have success. I'll just rub out that excess fluid that's underneath here. And that's it. All right here, y'all. So that was not difficult, but it wasn't easy either. So let's go ahead and throw this one on for the back, and then I'll throw the rest of them on. I'll put you on the time lapse while I put this one on, and then I'll throw the other two on, and then we'll talk a little bit after this. All right, everybody. And here goes the finished product, man. Looks pretty good. Yep. I'll tell you what, man. Now the ones that Ron has, his is a little darker than mine. They look a little bit more pronounced. Mine, like you could barely see them. Those you can see really well. So it's a difference in the two. The heels is looking real good, but I had to get the ones that match what I already had. But like I say, one thing about Ron, dude, is when he puts parts on his car, man, he researches everything he needs to. He researches everything. Make sure that it is exactly what he wants. He asks questions. He does everything he needs to do on the back end, so that whenever he presents it to everybody else, that he's putting out some good quality content. So you guys should really go over and check that man's channel out. It's Ron from Portland. Matter of fact, the video where he installed those, I'll link it right over here. Or is it over here? Either one. It'll be on either side, and I'll put his channel in the description as well, so you guys go check him out. But yeah, man, again, thank you, Ron, for the idea and for motivating me to go ahead and put that thing on there, because I was just on the fence about, like, man, I don't know, that's gonna be too much. I'm doing too much, but it actually looks pretty good, and I like the way it looks on the car. So yes. Okay, man. So like I said, this is a short video. Just want to put a little something on here, but the main reason for me doing the video was to show that I wanted to put those in there to see what those look like, because I really liked them, and to tell everybody thank you all for getting the channel up to 400 subscribers, man. Thank y'all so much, man. I really appreciate y'all. I'm gonna do my best to continue to put out good content, quality, and putting out good information on how to install these things on your car yourself, so you ain't spending money having somebody install it for you. Save some money for some other mods, man. Stuff that you can do yourself, man. Go ahead and give it a try out there. You got to step out there sometimes and see if you can do it. If you can't do it, you can always take it to them anyway, and they'll fix it. They'll fix it for you. So there you go. But we're getting, since we're at the 400 mark, we're getting to that point where we hit the 500. Once we get to 500, I'm trying to put together how I want to do this, but I'm going to do a giveaway. So the giveaway is probably going to consist of one or two things. You guys let me know which you want that thing to be, and just link it in the comments below, man. Tell me which one you prefer. So I was going to do either the Drycon drop-in air filter, be giving that thing away, or the Torque Solutions pulley cover and / engine cover. So y'all let me know which one of those things you would like for me to do a giveaway on once we hit to that 500 mark. So let's hurry up and get there. And again, appreciate y'all, man. Thank y'all for choosing the channel, man, supporting your boy, man. I really appreciate it. It means a lot that many people decided to subscribe to my channel, man. Y'all just don't understand what that means to us YouTubers out there. The people pay attention to what we're saying and listen to us, and then take the time out to talk to us too. Yeah, man, that's pretty freaking fly. So till then, man, I'll see y'all on the next video. Oh, and I'll link this stuff in the description as well. Till next time, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and your boy see you on the next video. Peace.